You have until Friday to get this task completed. So this is the direction slide. It says we have been in the tests, allies, and enemies portion of the hero's journey for some time now. As this section draws to a close, let's look back at some of the characters and situations that Percy has encountered. On slides 2 through 4, you're going to choose one enemy and write a compound sentence describing them or their impact on Percy's journey. Each slide should describe a different character. And remember that you can use the notes in your notebook when creating your compound sentences if needed. I would strongly advise using your notes. So here's an example slide for you. You'll see here all the different characters that you could drag over. It says drag the character you choose to write about in the space below. So I'm going to talk about Mrs. Dodds. Write a compound sentence about this character and how they impacted Percy's journey. Highlight your comma conjunction. And down here I put a little reminder for a compound sentence. You need a subject and a verb on the left side, and then a comma conjunction, and then a subject and a verb on the right side. And these are the conjunctions you can use. At first, Mrs. Dodds was Percy's math teacher at school, comma, but she ended up being a fury who attacked Percy at the art museum. So I made a compound sentence with a subject and verb before it, Mrs. Dodds. The verb is was, and then on the other side, she, and the verb is ended, so ended up. Make sure you go back and highlight your comma conjunction, and when you do that, you're double checking that there's a complete sentence before it and a complete sentence after it. And you'll see we even use a little transition here to introduce our idea, which is also a great thing to do when you're writing. So you've got your example slide, enemy number 1, enemy number 2, and enemy number 3. You're going to drag the character over and then write your compound sentence and highlight the comma conjunction. When you're done, make sure you submit it in Google Classroom.